Good evening, Coach Ravitej. I have learnt a lot from this session. As you see, my face has become thin and I have lost 1.5 kg. Besides that, I have learnt a lot like protein intake, importance of protein intake, importance of how to be grateful, importance of how to manage your time and be consistent.
This was a beautiful journey for me. Like, I had lost around 2 kgs. What it has taught me is being consistent and how to plan my diet, including my proteins, because I never knew how much of protein intake and what is the requirement of protein we need and what is the importance of protein in our body. I have an assistant like Coach Ravi, who is assisting us from step to step, who's guiding us in very good way, not just in a physical way, even in the holistic way. It's changed me a lot.
It's very good to be part of this community. I feel very proud of part of this BSH community. I'm feeling very good. So I reduced 3 kg after joining this challenge. And so one thing I started taking care of this like water intake. So water intake, I was very lazy to track it or to like I used to forget in work and other thing.